In this screencast, we will take a look at how to adjust your PlayPosit user account settings. We will cover how to update passwords, adjust your profile privacy settings, adjust both default settings, and adjust interactions default settings. After logging into your account, select the first tab on the top left corner with your username on it to open the user profile windows. You can view your account type here and examine the Bob attempts for this month, and you can also check how many videos you have uploaded. Next, click on the User Setting tab on the left side. You can change your name and set a display name here. You can also upload your profile picture by clicking on the image in front of your display name. To update the password, scroll down to the Update Password section, enter the new password, and re-enter it again. Then click on Update Password to save the change. Next, let's see how to adjust the profile's privacy setting. Scroll down to the Instructor Visibility section. There are 4 different options to adjust your privacy settings on who can see your Bobs and playlist. The first option will allow all the users to view your Bobs and playlists by visiting the pre-made Bobs library and media library. The second option allows users in your institution to view your Bobs and playlists. The third option will only allow the user in your school or site to view your Bobs and playlists. And with the last options, your Bobs and playlists will not be visible to other users, but can be shared through a direct link with other instructors. In the following section, you can adjust the default setting of the Bob. Toggle each option by clicking on the toggle button in front of it. You can decide whether to allow learners to replay sections of the video prior to each question. Choose not to answer certain questions and continue playing the video. Skip ahead when viewing the video. Choose to re-answer some or all questions in the Bob. Show and hide the captions. Also, instructors have the option to hide the learner's score when the Bob is completed. This will prevent learners from seeing a specific percentage score when they complete a Bob. In the next section, you can adjust the default setting for each interaction. Click on the interaction type and select the interaction you would like to adjust. Each interaction will have its own set of available default advanced settings. For example, under the multiple choice interaction, you can set the point values, whether to randomize answer order, and how many times students can retake this interaction. After finishing the setting for this interaction, you can click on the interaction type again and select a different interaction you would like to adjust. The Bob and interactions default setting will only affect new Bobs. The Bobs that already exist will not be affected. Also, you can always adjust this setting in the Review tab on the Bob editing page. After completing all the settings on the User Setting page, please make sure you click on the Save button to save all the changes.